Hello everyone, welcome to this fourth part of this tutorial, and in this part we are going to learn about how to deploy a node application to the AWS Elastic Beanstalk to the droneCI Docker pipeline. So here we are using Docker pipeline for deploying our node application to the Elastic Beanstalk through droneCI. So that's it. So first of all, you should have an AWS account and you should have good knowledge of Elastic Beanstalk. You should have set up a Docker CI server and a Docker runner for for executing this droneCI Docker pipeline. So if I have created and I have made a video about how to set up a Docker CI server and a Docker pipeline in a previous part. So if you have not watched the video, I recommend you to watch that video first and just come back here. So after that, what just you need to do is that you just need to activate the repository you just need to activate the repository in which you wish to implement the droneCICD. After activated that, you just need to go to the project directory of your node application and create a drone.yml file, this drone.yml file, and just copy all these code up to here and save it. I will explain each and every part of the code in detail. So here it is, its kind is a pipeline, its type is a Docker, and its name is default, and type can be anything such as SS pipeline, Kubernetes pipeline, EXEC pipeline, and DigitalOcean, and many more. And we have used an workspace. We have created a separate workspace called my project/source. And here what we have done is that for deploying our application to Elastic Beanstalk, we need to zip our file, and we need a zip format of our file. So instead of deploying your application directly to Elastic Beanstalk, it is very tedious, and I have also been stuck with this deploying our node application to Elastic Beanstalk for a week, and I finally debug how to do it. So I'm making this video so that it will help you guys in your projects and implement droneCI. And yeah, so first of all, what I have done is that I have just I have pulled an Alpine image, and I have installed and zip, and I have gone to the directory, and this is the source directory, workspace, and I have zipped everything inside that directory to the source code.zip, and I have mounted this volume. I have created this temporary volume whose name is source file, and this part is my project/source, and this volume should be we have to create this shared volume because these are two containers and here are different containers. So the volume, if something is we have done in this container will not be accessible to this container, so we have to share a volume. And in this second container we have I have given it a name is source s3 bundle. S3 bundle is we need S3 bundle for Elastic Beanstalk for deploying our application to Elastic Beanstalk, because it helps in versioning and all different purposes as well. So let's in this step what we have done is that we have just pulled an S3 plugin image of S3 bucket, that is S3 plugin, and we have used this shared volume. And in the settings what we have done is that we have given the name drone node test, and it is its region and access key from secrets to AWS access key from secret key from secrets AWS secret key. And here source, the source is the zip file, so my project/source/source code.zip. so this is the source, and we have deploying this to the slash directory of our S3 bucket. So in this way we have deployed, we have uploaded our source code zip to S3 bucket. It is as same as that we have already done how to deploy React application to the S3 bucket. So it is as same as it is, but only difference is that we have zipped and sent to an S3 bucket in this case, in Elastic Beanstalk case. And in the next step, what we have done is that we have pulled an image, and image name is drone Elastic Beanstalk, and access key and a secret key. We have given access key and a secret key. We have given the region. We have given the name. We have given the name of the CI, name of our Elastic Beanstalk. We first need to go and create Elastic Beanstalk. After creating an Elastic Beanstalk, you just give the label. So here the label is version label is manual. So I am first of whenever you do it, give v1, and then second time you have to give v2. If you give the same version name, it will throw an error. So please take note that in the mind that version level should be changed in every deployment. So I have not done I will do it in some days how to automate the version level, but now for now I have done in manually. So it is a description, and here the bucket name. So this bucket name is the same bucket that we have where we have uploaded our source code zip file, compressed source code file. Okay, so after that here comes the bucket key. So here is the most confusing part everyone would face is this part. So it says the bucket key, and everyone will think that the bucket key is the access key of our AWS account that helps us to access this bucket. So that is totally wrong in this case. So in the bucket key is the path of a source code that we will be deploying to our Elastic Beanstalk. So here bucket key is the my project /source code.zip. So this is the bucket key. So please keep in mind that bucket key is the path of our compressed source code, which is in a S3 bucket, not our access key, AWS access key. And here the environment name, and environment name is the name of environment where we will deploy our Elastic Beanstalk application. It will be given when you create create Elastic Beanstalk application, and after that when we upload our source code, we wish to update our environment, so it is true. So yeah, that's it how we deploy our application. So let me show you a quick demo as well. So first of all, let me go here and split and desktop, projects, and drone. So here I have a node application. So this is my sample application. This is my sample application which says this is my sample application, and I have drone.yml. It says same, and let me go to the Elastic Beanstalk first, right? So let's go to Elastic Beanstalk. So here we have an environment droneCICD test env1. So here let me check the version. So application version, let me check the application version. So the fifth version is v5, and it is deployed to this environment. So let me test the output. So it says welcome to Taken Technologies droneCICD Elastic Beanstalk deployment test by Abusan. So my name is Abusan, so it is written, I have written this here. So yeah, and now I will, and so here this is the repository. Let me show you the repository as well. So droneCICD node Elastic Beanstalk. So this is the repository. This is the repository that I have used And yeah, and this is the repository, and this repository is activated here. Drone CI node elastic beanstalk, this is activated here. And here I have build configuration file name .drone.yml, and I have given my secret key and access key of an AWS account. And yeah, that's it. And after all this setup is done, what you need to do is that, and my elastic beanstalk is also been created, and it is showing this output as well. So now I am going to change my change the index.html. so let me change this, and let me change welcome to DevOps tutorials by Abusan. So yeah, after that say git status. So I have modified drone.yml, I have modified index.yml. So, and I have an S3 bucket also created for this, which name is, so wait, S3 bucket name is drone node test. So, and let me change the version to 6. I have said you that you have to change the version manually. And now when I commit changed index.html, so I'll push. I have used allies for pmaster. Pmaster means git pull master, and git commit means git add and commit. So since when I pushed it, so here it should show a second ago. So yeah, 26 seconds ago. And here this pipeline has been executed, and so this pipeline has been executed a few seconds ago. And what it has done is that it has cloned, it has zipped our source directory, and it has uploaded our source code.zip to S3 bucket, and it has successfully deployed our application to an elastic beanstalk. So let's go and check here in the elastic beanstalk. So here it must be updating. So here it says it has been successfully updated. So yeah, later previously it was showing welcome to the technologies droneCI. So this is showing. So now since the new version has been uploaded, so let me check here, new version v6. So v6 has been uploaded, and it is uploaded to this, and this is the zip code. So let me go and open this, and it says welcome to the DevOps tutorial by Abusan. So within a second we have changed our source code and deployed to our elastic beanstalk. And yeah, in this way you can change your, you can set up your elastic beanstalk for deployment with droneCICD. And that's it for now, and I hope you like this video. Make sure you give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such video. And yeah, thank you for watching, and have a good day. Bye bye.